Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about member-wise assignment, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, member-wise assignment is the default assignment behavior for objects of a class. When you assign one object of a class to another object of the same class, each member of the object being assigned is assigned to the corresponding member of the object being assigned to. For example, in this example, the buddy object is assigned to the Rufus object. This means that the name and age members of the Rufus are assigned to the name and age members of the buddy. After the assignment, buddy has the same name and age as Rufus. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.